is ice cream cruise time. Look at this. We are out on the skid pad right now. In about a half hour, we're gonna do some skid pad testing. We got qualifying later. Klaus is in the stick shift class. It's an 1/8 mile shootout. We got racing for that. The Mustang is in the 650 class. We'll be racing in that while we're back and forth doing burnouts. It's a great time. 1320 Videos ice cream cruise. So, see right here, we just ran a 654 at 114, 1760 foot, that's slow, 4.3 to 330, 650, so I took a lot, if not all the boost out. I think I have like 10 pounds on the dome. Yep, 10 pounds on the dome, and that just made it run a 654, and we're in the 650 class. Perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna look over the log, make sure fueling and timing looks good, and other than that, we Gucci.
Motorsports with Claus. Oh, we're gonna go make sure he ain't on fire. That's just jumping glow. Don't worry about it. That car's here to party. That's the only car on property that does burnouts, roll racing, and drag racing. All they do is change up the tires. Whoa!
Hey, fire! Fire!
One time! Headed Motorsports with Claus. Oh, we're gonna make sure he ain't on fire. That's just jumping glow. Don't worry about it. That car's here to party. That's the only car on property that does burnouts, roll racing, and drag racing.
chucker in neutral. Fire! Do you have an extinguisher?
Hey, Motorsports with Klaus.
Do you have an extinguisher?
That's just the underglove. Don't worry about it. That's the
Shut it
only
off.
car on property
Right here.
that does burnout, roll racing, and drag racing. All they do is change up the tire. Whoa! He ain't drag racing enough, boys. I tell you what.
Dude, what happened?
I don't fucking know.
Now halfway through the run, it's like, I can hear it missing pretty bad.
I hope not.
About 10 seconds before we stopped, I seen it glowing. It'd been on fire for a minute.
I didn't see any of that.
Yeah. I smacked your leg and you just kept going. I was like, all right.
I was in the zone.
Yep. Dude, I cannot believe the response time of this fire truck. I was hollering for 10 seconds before anybody started running out there. Standing right over it, pointing. I asked Carl, I was like, do you have a fire extinguisher? Oh, he does right there. I see it now.
Down below 20. Right at 20 or below. It is day 2 out here at Ice Cream Cruise. There's a lot to do today. Well, we hope we're going to have a lot to do today. As you saw last night, Klaus had a small fire. Wouldn't you say, Joe? Just a small fire.
Just a look.
So we got Joe and Adam. They're helping me out. We basically, I don't know if I showed everyone. I'm going to get in here and show them the meltingness. Yeah, it's melted really, really good like, so. Oh yeah, there's some more melted wires. Everything's just melted. Everything is great. Everything is awesome. So, we have to cut it all out, rip it all out. It's like an engine harness, ignition harness, input-output harness, spark plug wires. There's a lot that needs fixed. So that is our game plan today. We're going to go do that. Chris is over there being worthless as normal. Ethan is working the merch booth, and that's our plan. Let's keep working away. What do we think? 5 minutes we should have all this done?
Max.
All right, let's get to it. Out here with Consuela, Kyle Loftus 1320 and a few other people are going to be jumping out of this. That's Garrett's helicopter, cleetus' helicopter if you guys don't know. I'm sure you do. This is amazing. So you gonna jump next?
Hell no, I've done it once.
You really?
I made him do it for our 1 year anniversary.
Yes.
And I'll never do it unless I have to.
I paid for it, so he couldn't back out.
I want to, like, I keep saying I want to skydive for one time in my life, but then I end up always bitching out and not doing it.
Yeah, it's scary. She's lying.
It's not. If you're already wanting to do it, you'll enjoy it.
Oh, I'm sure adrenaline.
Well, the good thing is you got someone attached to you that's gonna
Yeah.
push you out of the side.
You got professionals, so you don't have a choice in the matter.
They push you out. I mean, it's not you.
I love
They do all
it.
the landing for you too. You just have to sit on your butt.
Keep your legs up.
Yeah.
See the ground from here. I might be here. Just for the, you can hold on, right?
Just let go. I got you right here. And ultimately, if we fall out, guess what? That's where we're going anyway.
You gotta grab something, grab right there.
Yeah.
I really don't want you touching anything but yourself. Yep.
And you're gonna be a little bit tighter
Kyle's
to me.
still
This is
holding
just
on.
right now. You're still on the step, right?
I don't take responsibility for that.
You got this, Kyle. You're gonna do great. Goggles. Oh, you do this all the time, or is it your first time? The sound of jets starting up just never gets old.
So I was telling him this one sounds a lot smoother.
Yeah. There's so many.
One's up there, Kyle.
Beautiful. These guys right here, they literally just rewired all of Klaus that caught on fire. Spark plug wires, ignition coils, everything. So we're gonna start it up, dude. Thank you. I owe you a lot. I mean, I got him a burrito so far.
That works.
Let's see what happens. Help. What's going on?
There are so many good burnouts over there today. Oh my gosh. I would say this is a surprise. This guy has won 2 summer nats, basically world championship burnouts. Jake Myers, Jake Chico.
Yeah! 10 G's. He's taking us to Sizzlers.
I was flying a drone directly over his burnout both days. I gotta say,
Well, I don't like doing this, but we have to throw in the towel on Klaus. I have no idea what's going on. The guys have been busting their butts all day. They got everything rewired, and then we spent the last 2 or 3 hours just trying to get to start. It will not start now. Acts like there's no spark or something, but everything down in there was fixed and new. But there's something else going on that I just don't know. And it's late, and we gotta do racing in the Mustang. Unfortunate. Very unfortunate situation. Very unfortunate.